Hello guys! Oh no, that's my bonnet! Today guys, I'm gonna prune the peach tree, especially the branches almost touching down the ground. Otherwise, it's very difficult for me every time I do the lawn mowing here. It's always touching my head, the branch. So, I better cut this down in order to make the area clear. As you can see guys, our backyard is very different. It's not like before that it looks like very haunted. I'm even very scared to come down to see what is down here because lots of grasses and lots of branches that almost cover the fence. Can't even see the side fence. But now I'm trying to clear it out. Well, it's quite difficult because I'm using this very small handsaw. It takes time for me to sew the branch. Well, everything need patience. This kind of works help me keep busy every day since I came here in New Zealand because as all we know, I am not allowed to work because of my visa. Well, I believe everything in life start step by step. Even though I'm not earning yet, but I'm still happy because I always heard that everything I did, it helps a lot. I want to turn this whole area as in a garden while I'm still waiting for my visa. I keep everything, all the branches, the grasses, the leaves for my garden. We mold it into pieces. Then we can turn it into a very good soil fertilizer. Since I'm doing gardening, every time we went to the market, I never buy any kinds of vegetable. I just rely the vegetable on my garden. Oh, this is quite hard. It's very difficult to sew and something very smooth in here. My feet cannot put in a balance. But keep on going. In life, there is no reason to retreat. Always go, go, and fight. And that is me. I am a very fighter woman. I always believe that every trials in life never comes if I cannot surpass it. Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh, how do I wish to use a better hand soap. But sad to say, I am not allowed. Brian never allowed me without his supervision. By the way, this is beside the fence line. That's why I'm cutting off all of this and bring it over there to the mulching area. And then when we have time, we can mulch it together into pieces. And then it is a very good fertilizer again for the garden. Oh yes, this is it. It's cutting off, but it's stuck because there are other branches holding up. Up, shoot. Good job. Now I need to bring it off. Bring it over there. I need to pull all these cut branches and bring it over there to line for the mold chair. Quite heavy, but I can do this. I want to make sure that everything is ready by September because September is a time that it is good to put your seedlings and then started to grow it. Then by the month of October, I can plant it directly into the ground. So see to it that all these branches sheltering my garden must be removed. I'm planning to plant sweet corns and different kind of watermelons and maybe the pumpkin, of course, some good leaves vegetable. Well, I always look for it. Wanting more, always want more vegetable, especially the green and leafy vegetable. I have some celery out there, but still one kind of veggies not enough for me. Well, this is a good habit too. It's keeping me busy while waiting for good things. Thank you for always supporting and watching my videos.